If you find it difficult to switch the radio on and off or adjust its volume, this video will help you. In this video you will see how to fix the broken power volume button of the radio in Opel Vauxhall. Before you start, be sure to check whether you have the security code from the radio. It needed when you install the radio back in the car. To get started, you will need to unscrew the screws on the front panel of car radio. Unscrew the screws with the 2mm Allen key. There must be 4 of them. Obtain removal keys for the 2-din Opel or Vauxhall car radio. You can purchase they on auction, eBay, or official dealer of your car. Insert the radio removal keys into the holes covered by the Allen screws. Remove the radio, making simultaneous efforts by the sides and ball over. The mechanism of the removal keys is shown on the following image. Now we got the radio from the dashboard of the car. Disconnect the plastic control panel of the radio. This can be done by gently pressing on the following plastic latch. Pull out the power volume button. Unscrew the 8 Allen screws of the circuit board. Remove the rubber buttons pad. Now we can see our power volume button switch with 7 soldering points. Use a soldering iron to heat all soldering points of the power volume button switch. Assemble the radio in reverse order. Next, install the radio back into the car with the ignition off. After turn on the radio, it will require a security code. Enter it by following the manual of your radio. It is time to test the job done. If the radio still does not work, then the power volume switch is broken, so you must replace it with the new one.